Afzan from India.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum Assalam.
How are you, Sheikh?
I am getting old, but I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
Barakallah. If a person doubts this hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he was on Mount Uhud with Abu Bakr and other Sahaba, if Uhud فَإِنَّمَا عَلَيْكَ نَبِيٌّ وَصِدِّيقٌ وَشَهِيدًا, and he doubts whether it was really a prophecy or not, is he a kafir?
And he really doubts that what?
That is it a prophecy or not?
He's stupid. With all due respect, yani, the hadith is authentic. And the Prophet said about Mount Uhud that he loves us and we love him, the mountain. And when he was on it, it trembled. And he said, stay quiet, Mount Uhud, because standing on top of you is a prophet and a Siddiq and two Shaheeds or the likes. So this is a prophecy because two of them or one of them were martyred and they were still alive. So they knew that this was a prophecy and it came to reality. When you doubt it to be a prophecy, on what basis are you doubting it? The hadith is not authentic. Okay, that's something else. If you're a student of knowledge and you looked in the chain of narrators and you came to the conclusion that it's not authentic, or you read a number of views of reputable scholars grading it as not authentic, there's no problem in that. No, Sheikh, I'm not a student of knowledge. I have no knowledge in hadith. So why are you rejecting it being a prophecy? It doesn't make sense. Okay, now you have a problem that has to be fixed.